Students, welcome to your and our beautiful channel Maths Nations. In my last class, we have already discussed about the relationship between zeros of the polynomial with the coefficients of the polynomial. Here we discuss more example and verify the properties of the relationship between the zeros of the polynomial and the coefficient of the polynomial. Let us take a quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial is the polynomial in which the degree of the polynomial is 2 and we get 2 zeros. Take an example, 6x equal to 6x square minus x minus 2. Then quadratic polynomial fx can be written as ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then the relationship and alpha, let alpha and beta are two zeros of the polynomial. Then the relationship between alpha and beta is alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a and alpha into beta is equal to c upon a. We will take this example and verify these relations. Look at here. Here a equal to 6, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 2. Then here take the polynomial 6x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then factorize it to find out its 0. Use middle factor factorizations. Minus x can be written as minus 4x plus 3x. Students, please recall what is middle factor factorizations. Middle factor factorization is the factorization in which the middle term is factorized, is split into two parts whose addition is the middle part and multiplication is multiplication of this first part and the third part. Means here the minus x is split into minus 4x plus 3x. Minus 4x plus 3x is minus x. Minus 4x into 3x is minus 12x square. 6x square into minus 2 is equal to 12x square. Okay. Here take. Then take 2x. Then what is remain here? This is 3x minus 2. And here 1 take common. Then this is 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then what is the common factor? 3x minus 2 into 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Then here the first x is 2 upon 3, another x is minus 1 upon 2. Means alpha is 2 upon 3, beta is minus 1 upon 2. Then verify the relations. Then take what is alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is 2 upon 3 in plus minus 1 upon 2. What is the LCM? LCM is 6. We get 4. This is 1 upon 6. Then 1 upon 6 means this is minus b by a. This is 1 upon 6 is minus b upon a. Then verify alpha into beta. What is alpha? 2 upon 3 into minus 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. We get minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3 can be written as minus 2 upon 6. Am I right? Yes. Then what is minus 2 upon 6? Minus 2 upon 6. Look at here. Minus 2 upon 6 is c upon a. Hence verified two properties of the relationship between zeros of the polynomial and the coefficient of the polynomial. Here we verify that alpha plus beta is minus b upon a and alpha into beta is c upon a. Then take one more example to verify this. Take another quadratic polynomial. This is 7x. This is x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Here fx is equal to x square plus 7x plus 10 is equal to 0. Then use middle factor factorization and factorize this to get the zeros of the polynomial. Then take x common, what we get, x plus 5. Here take 2 common, here we get x plus 5. X plus 5 is the common term, take it out, we get x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then this quadratic polynomial is factorized into x plus 5 into x plus 2 is equal to 0. Then the two zeros are here, x equal to minus 5 and minus 2. Here alpha is equal to minus 5, beta is equal to minus 2. And look at the polynomial. Here a equal to 1, b equal to 7, then c equal to 10. Then to verify, alpha plus beta is equal to minus 5 minus 2. This is minus 7. Minus 7 can be written as minus 7 upon 1. What is this? This is minus b upon a. Look at here. Then take alpha into beta. Alpha into beta is minus 5 into minus 2. This is 10. 10 can be written as 10 upon 1. Then what is this? This is c upon a. Verified? Verified, students? Now take what is cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial. What is cubic polynomial? Cubic polynomial is the polynomial in which the degree of the polynomial is 3 and we get 3 zeros. Px is a polynomial, cubic polynomial. This is ax cube, bx square plus cx plus d is equal to 0. In this case, degree of the polynomial is 3 and we get 3 zeros. Then let us take an example to find out the. Let us take an example. First, read about what is the relationship between zeros of the cubic polynomial and its coefficients. Here this is the polynomial and let alpha, beta and gamma are 3 zeros of this polynomial. In cubic polynomial we get 3 zeros. Let alpha, beta and gamma are 3 zeros of the polynomial. Then what is the relationship between alpha, beta and gamma? Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus d upon a. And alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c upon a. These are the three identities of this relationship between zeros of the cubic polynomial and the coefficients of the polynomial. Let us take an example to verify this. Just note down the relationship between alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b upon a, minus b upon a, and alpha beta into gamma is equal to minus d upon a, and alpha beta plus beta gamma plus alpha gamma is equal to c upon a. Let us take an example. Let px is equal to 6x cube plus 5x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. Then here a equal to 6, b equal to 5, c equal to minus 12 and d equal to 4. D equal to 4. Then factorize this. 6x cube plus 5x square minus 12x plus 4 is equal to 0. If we factorize this polynomial, we get x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 into 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. When we factorize this, we get this. Then what are the zeros? X equal to minus 2, 1, 2 upon 3. Then this is alpha, this is beta, this is gamma. Then look at here, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus 2 plus 1 plus 2 upon 3. Then this is minus 1 plus 2 by 3. This is 3 is the LCM, minus 3 plus 2. This is minus 1 upon 3. This is minus 1 upon 3. Minus 1 upon 3. Am I wrong? Look at here. This is 2 upon 3. This is 1 upon 2. Okay. Oh my god. This is beta is 1 upon 2. Sorry students. Beta is 1 upon 2. Then this is the wrong answer. Then here 6 is the LCM and we get minus 12 plus 3 plus 4. Then this is minus 5 upon 6. Then what is minus 5 upon 6? Look at here. Look at here. What is B and what is A? This is minus B upon A. Hence verified the first identity, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus B upon A. Then let us take what is alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha into beta into gamma. Alpha is minus 2, beta is 1 upon 2, gamma is 2 upon 3. 2 cancel. We get minus 2 upon 3. We get minus 2 upon 3. Minus 2 upon 3 can be written as minus 2 upon 3 can be written as, look at here, 4 upon minus 4 upon 6. Minus 4 upon 6. Here D is 4 and A is 6. What is this? This is minus D upon A. Hence verified the third identity. Alpha into beta into gamma is equal to minus D upon A. Then take the third property. Alpha into beta. 2 into minus 2 into 1 upon 2 plus beta into gamma. 1 upon 2 into 2 upon 3 plus alpha into gamma plus minus 2 into 2 upon 3. Let us erase it and recall students what are these. Just remind here, otherwise this space is covered and we do not look at this, what will be the proper answer and how can we verify this. Let us remember these alpha, beta and gamma, otherwise look at here. This is alpha into gamma minus 2 into 2 by 3. Then here 2 cancel, we get minus 1, 2 cancel, plus 1 upon 3, minus 4 upon 3. Then 3 is the LCM. We get minus 3 plus 1 minus 4. Then what we get? We get minus 6 upon 3. This is minus 6 upon 3. This can be written as minus 12 upon 6. Minus 6 upon 3 can be written as minus 12 upon 6. This is C by A. Because C is minus 12, A is 6. Hence verified the third property. hence verified the third property. Let us take one more example to verify this. Look at here. Take one more example. Let us take a polynomial which is 2x cube minus 5x square minus 14x plus 8 is equal to 0. Then here a equal to 2, b equal to minus 5, c equal to minus 14, d equal to 8. Then use this, factorize this. 2x cube, 5x square can be written as minus 8x square plus 3x square. Then 14x can be written as minus 12x minus 2x plus 8 is 8 here. Then look at here. Here take 2x square common. We get x minus 4. Here take 3x common. This is x minus 4. Here take minus 2 common. This is x minus 4 is equal to 0. Then x minus 4 into 2x square plus 3x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here apply this middle factorizations. We get 2x square plus 4x minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. Then this is x minus 4. Then here you take 2x common. This is x plus 2. This is minus 1. This is x plus 2, 0. Then here we get x minus 4 into x plus 2 into 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Here the zeros of this polynomial is 4, minus 2 and half. Then alpha is 4, beta is minus 2, gamma is 1 upon 2. Then for the identity, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to 4 minus 2 plus 1 upon 2. This is 2 whole 1 upon 2. This is 5 upon 2. What is 5 upon 2? This is b by a. Minus b by a. 5 upon 2 is minus b by a. First identity, alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to minus b by a verified. Take the second identity. What is the second identity? Alpha into beta into gamma. Here the alpha is 4 into minus 2 into 1 upon 2. 2 cancel. You get minus 4. Minus 4. What you get? You get minus 4. Look at here. Minus 4 can be written as minus 8 by 2. Minus 8 by 2. Here minus 8 by 2 means this is minus d upon a. Here d is 8, a is 2. Then take alpha into beta plus beta into gamma plus alpha into gamma. Then here 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 1 upon 2 plus 4 into 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 cancel. This is minus 8 minus 1 plus 2. Then what is this? This is minus 7. Minus 7 can be written as minus 14 by 2. Minus 14 by 2. What is minus 14 by 2? C upon A. C upon A. Hence verified 3 identities of the relationship between zeros, 3 zeros and the coefficients of the cubic polynomial. Okay. Today this much. In my next class we will take more and more example and we will read about more about the zeros of this polynomial. Today this much. Like, share, subscribe and stay tuned for the upcoming videos and press the bell icon to get the notification of the videos. Thank you.